It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Powerful and impactful, this Fusion delivers a commanding performance. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and smartphone wireless charging. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.